Hey guys, it's Billy Audio Advice. Today, we're going to show you how to custom paint your speaker grills to match your wall color. Let's get started. For this, you're going to need your speaker grill, you're going to need a mask, gloves, some sort of pick, and then your paint. We get our paint from myperfectcolor.com. They will take your paint code, they'll match it perfectly to your walls. We suggest getting either the flat or the matte finish, and that'll help cut down on some of the reflections you'll get from your lights and your projector and all those sorts of things. Okay, now that you've got all your materials prepped, next thing to do is to get your grill ready to be painted. First step, pull your scrim cloth off the back. Most speakers these days are going to come with a satin finish that's going to double as a primer. You're not going to need to do any prep work. If you do have any questions, refer to your manual. If that doesn't answer it for you, please feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to answer any questions you may have about it. Now let's start painting. So, you're gonna get your spray paint, you got your grill down, and what you wanna do is start with very light coats right over the top. You're not going to do it all at once. It doesn't matter if it looks a little uneven. We're going to do multiple coats. So after you've done your first one, you want to check. You want to make sure you don't have any of the perforations filled. From there, let it dry, let it chill. We'll come back, we'll do one more coat. All right, now we're gonna come in. For us, this is gonna be our last coat. Sometimes 3 coats may not cut it. Do as many as you feel you need necessary to get the results that you would like. We're gonna come in one more time. Make sure we're getting nice, even coverage. Make sure we're getting the edges. And from there, we're just gonna let it hang out for a while. Dry up. If you have any holes clog up, feel free to take a little punch and knock them out once they're dry. Some speakers, like the ones we're doing today, the grill will completely cover the bezel. In other cases, you're gonna have a trim piece that goes into the wall that the speaker mounts into. In these situations, you'll typically be supplied with a little plastic piece, and it's gonna fit right in here like this. You can mount this trim piece into the wall. This will allow you to either spray it like we did earlier, or you can just roll it when you paint the rest of your walls. Now, once you've got your trim painted, all you gotta do is pop your plastic out, mount it in your wall, put your speaker in, and then you'll take your already painted grill and pop it right in. Well, now that you've got your speaker grills painted, hard part's done. All you need to do now is install your speakers in the wall, attach the grill, perfect match, you're ready to go. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to reach out to us at audioadvice.com. We're always happy to help. We come out with content like this weekly, and we really appreciate you joining us today.